your thoughts on the Grand Canyon so
It
far?
was great. The best part of it was I got to ride on the back of Dennis's bike with him. So I'm kind of like his girlfriend.
Not in this lifetime, buddy.
Say it right now. Get it out of your system. It don't matter how. Don't leave it too long. Don't leave it too long. Don't leave it too long. Pretty soon things will go wrong. You're like a pot on a stove, boiling away. You gotta keep your eye on it. You can't leave it all day. Don't leave it too long. Don't leave it too long. Don't leave it too long. You can bet things will go wrong.
So Rick, what do you think of that ride in?
I need to change my drawers.
How about you, David?
Yeah, that was great. I was laughing a lot. Scared spitless a lot. And when we came in, there was so much crap along the road. I thought we're going to run into an animal for sure. But we didn't. They're all here.
No guardrails.
No guardrails.
And here we are in the ghost town of Oatman.
Hi everybody. Yep, this is Oatman, Arizona. Mining town. Yep. These things right here, they just walk the street liberally, stopping traffic whenever they want. Yeah, in this town, they're allowed to make an ass of themselves.
Speaking of jackasses, look what I found.
You're lucky I like you so much.
Here we are in a mine in Oatman. The sign said, "Stay alive and stay out," but David refused to listen to the safety instructions. What do you see up there, David? What's up there?
Gold.
We're rich.
Gold
We're rich.
in them there hills. Either that or it's an LED light bulb.
So this is out in the desert. We're going to Ambroy, and this is the exit. It's closed off, so you gotta go up further and take the next exit. Anyway, see that?
Hey, anybody guess what this guy collects? All right, lucky guess.
Here we are, boys.
So here we are on Santa Monica Pier. We've traveled 3,000 miles, approximately 5,000 kilometers to get to the end of Route 66.
By transcendental meditation, I go there each night. Always come back to myself.
Okay, here we are at the end of our dream trip, all the way from Oakville, Mount Hope, and Hamilton at the pier in Los Angeles. And here's the sign that says end of historic Route 66. So we made it, And these are my riding buds and pals. And guys, is it worth it? Rick, was it
Yes,
worth it?
we had a great time.
Are we going to do it again sometime? Maybe.
Not in this life.
Not in this lifetime. The last 30 miles was brutal through traffic.
We've had hail, we've had mist tornado,
It's been hectic, but
rain.
here we are.
Yep.
and heat yesterday.
And
so-
David led us through the traffic right here, safe and sound, and now we can walk around and spend our money, or our wives' money.
Ah,
We
my
don't
kids'
have
money.
any. All right.
I can't see you, but I hear your call, baby. Hold on now. We're going home. If we make it or we don't, we won't be alone. When I see your light shine, I know I'm home. If you're waiting all your life, you won't ever go. When I see your light shine,